the beat. C is for cat, it says meow. D is for drum, let's play it now. A, B, C, come sing with me.
I created the entire video you just watched using free AI tools. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how you can do the same, step by step in less than 20 minutes using AI, even if you have zero editing skills. But why should you create videos like this? Right now, kids learning music videos are one of the fastest flowing niches on YouTube. And the best part? You don't even have to show your face or use your voice. Take CoComelon, for example. This popular YouTube channel specializes in animated children's songs and has become a global sensation. With over 190 million subscribers and more than 196 billion total views, CoComelon generates an estimated monthly ad revenue between $490,000 and $8 million. In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to do it, step by step. By the end, you'll have all the tools and knowledge to create your own animated children's song videos, perfect for entertainment, education, or even launching a profitable YouTube channel. Step 1. Generate a song idea and lyrics. The first step in creating a kid's song is having a great idea. If you're unsure where to start, ChatGPT can help. Think about what type of song you want to create. Do you want a nursery rhyme, an educational song, or a fun dance tune? Some popular themes include ABC songs, counting songs, animal sounds, good manners and daily routines, bedtime lullabies. Open ChatGPT and type a prompt like, create a fun, happy kids song that teaches the A to Z alphabet with engaging melodies. Once ChatGPT generates a song idea, you can ask ChatGPT to generate more ideas. Pick one you like. Now, ask ChatGPT to write full lyrics for your chosen song. You can specify details such as rhyme scheme, repetition, and easy-to-sing words. Review the lyrics and make any necessary changes to improve clarity and engagement. Copy and paste the lyrics into a document for easy access later. Step 2. Convert lyrics into a song. Now let's turn our lyrics into a professional-sounding song using Suno AI. Suno AI is a powerful tool that transforms text into high-quality songs with realistic vocals and instrumentals. Whether you need a fun kids tune, a catchy jingle, or a soothing lullaby, Suno AI can generate professional-grade music in seconds. Go to Suno AI, I've added the link in the description, and create an account. Suno gives you 50 credits to play with. Click Create and choose Custom Song. Paste your song lyrics into the text box. Select a genre, e.g., pop, jazzy, upbeat nursery rhyme. Click Create and listen to the AI-generated song.
For ball, bounce to the beat.
Pick the best version and download the MP3 format. And just like that, we've generated our song with beats and vocals to match the lyrics. Step 3. Create visuals for your song. Now that we have our song and lyrics, we need engaging visuals to match them. Ask ChatGPT to create image prompts for each scene of the song. Example prompt. Create a detailed prompt for a 3D animated letter A. Add what letter A stands for in the lyrics, with a fun animal character. Make sure to request a colorful, vibrant, and kid-friendly art style. Copy and save these prompts for later use. Pro tip: to generate images for chorus, you can ask ChatGPT to create a detailed 3D prompt for a kid's alphabet with fun animals and different kids' characters. It's time to use the prompts we made with ChatGPT to create our pictures. We will use Leonardo AI to make these images. Leonardo AI is a smart tool that helps you create pictures quickly. It's great for making fun and colorful pictures for videos, stories, and more. Open Leonardo AI. The link is in the description and sign in. Go to the image creation section. Paste the prompt for your first scene. Select Phoenix, 3D render style, and adjust the aspect ratio to 16:9 for a widescreen format. Generate images for each scene and download them. Repeat for all lyrics, ensuring each visual corresponds to a part of the song. If you're enjoying this video and finding it helpful, please like the video and subscribe to my channel if you've not done so. Now, let's move on to the next step. Step 4. Animate the visuals. Now that you have amazing images, let's bring them to life with Suno AI, a powerful video generator that transforms text, images, and AI-generated content into high-quality, engaging videos, all in just a few clicks. Here's how to get started. Go to the Suno AI website, link in the description. As a new user, you'll receive 100 free coins daily to create breathtaking videos. Click Create. Upload your images, add scene descriptions, and hit Generate. It's that easy. Repeat the process for multiple image sets to create a seamless, stunning video. Ready to bring your vision to life? Let's dive in. Step 5. Edit and combine everything. Now let's put everything together using CapCut, a free and powerful video editing tool. Open CapCut and create a new project. Import all animated clips and the song audio file. Drag and drop clips onto the timeline, aligning them with the lyrics. Use CapCut's auto caption feature to generate subtitles that match the lyrics. Add fun transitions, background effects, and stickers to enhance engagement. Ensure smooth scene transitions to maintain visual appeal. Adjust the audio timing if needed. Export the final video in 4K resolution for high quality.
A is for apple, red and sweet. B is for ball, bounce to the beat.
And that's it. You've just created an engaging, high-quality kids song video using AI tools without needing a big budget or professional production team. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more AI-powered content creation tutorials.
A is for apple, red and sweet. B is for ball, bounce to the beat.